Okay, give me an example on both sides now. Give me an example on both sides. Okay, first I want to take examples of where your beliefs can be different. Okay, where your beliefs can be different. Okay, let me ask someone who's not yet spoken. Mehek, you've spoken. The girl next to Geetanjali. Jia. Okay, so you're saying that traditions can be different, so therefore they don't have to be the same. Okay, that's a good example. Let's hear someone else. Is that birthday today? Okay, so happy birthday, and then give you example. Yes. Yes. So their beliefs can be different. Okay, let me give you another example in that. How many of you are non-vegetarians? How many of you are non-vegetarians? Okay. Okay, good. Now, but are you the same kind of non-vegetarians, for example, as the non-vegetarians in China? No. Okay. Does someone know what sort of food people eat in China? Any examples? Okay, Mitansh. Snakes. Okay. What else? Crabs. Okay, crabs. Yes, the boy there. Yes. Cow. Okay. They do. That's right. He's right. They do. Yes. Pigs. Yes, they also eat pigs. Yes.
Cockroach. Last time बोले थे cockroach.
Ah, okay. Okay. He's saying that he knows a tradition where the food is hung there, the meat is hung there, and then you select the part or the meat that you want to eat, and then that is made for you. So instead of a menu, that's how you do it. So it's a very different belief. Some of us may find it yucky. Okay. Some of us may find it yucky, but yes, they eat Manchurian. Very different. But I think the Manchurian that we eat is very different from the Manchurian that they eat there. The boy next to Shruti.
Cockroaches.
Sorry. Grade 4, you have to be good listeners. Are you listening? Let's listen to the boy next to Shruti.
Cockroaches.
Okay, maybe yes, they do. Alright, no, I'm sure you have a lot of examples to share, but no, hands down. Now what's the time I didn't bring my watch? Yeah,
Till 11:50.
What is your point, Meg? Yes, what's your point? They eat turtle also, yes. I think they do. Yes, I'm sure they eat a whole bunch of things that we don't eat here. And you never dream of eating here. But, okay, let's hear Huzefa here, yes. They eat insects, okay, they eat insects. So, do we want to go on and listing the kind of thing they eat? Or you want to do something else? So please, hands down if you want to continue listing what Chinese eat. If you have something else other than what Chinese eat to say, then I'll hear that. Okay? You have something to say there? The girl next to the birthday boy? Yes. Lobsters, a lot of people eat across the world, but the point I'm making is we are not making a menu of what Chinese eat. Okay? We're done with that. We want to move ahead and talk about other beliefs and value systems. Okay? The boy in the specs there, yes. Alright, how many of you are listening to what? What's your name? Vihan. Please listen to Vihan, grade 4. Let's listen to Vihan. Okay, Vihan, please say that again.
The Chinese worship the dragons
Yes.
And they
totally
think
agree.
that it is a good luck as they follow dragon symbols and dragon.
Alright, so they have a very different belief system in that. Let me give you another story. Let me give you another story about. We've talked a little bit about religious beliefs, right? Okay, we talked about a few religious beliefs. Do you think religious beliefs change over a period of time? Do you think religious beliefs change over a period of time, or do they not change at all? They are different, we know. They can be different for different people. Just like any other belief, they can be different. So give me examples of where they change and where they do not change. Okay? Let me hear this boy. Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. Now I see a lot more hands of people who have already answered, but still that's okay. You can go next.
Can I
But
go
let's hear it then after.
Anushka.
Okay. Very good example. He's saying that his father is a Muslim and his mom was a Hindu before marriage, and then she changed her belief to becoming Muslim. So that's a great example of change in religious beliefs. Yes.